My name is Tanya Nealon, and I am the STEM coordinator at Sultana Middle School. We are incredibly honored to be able to help our local community and first responders by making these ear guards.
I'm Dennis Humphrey, Director of the Engineering Academy at New Smyrna Beach High School. We're glad I could help in this tough time.
I just wanted to say thank you to all our healthcare workers that are on the front line and really fighting this pandemic. They're the real heroes. Thank you.
I'm Kim Steers. I am a teacher for the Academy of Information Technology and Robotics at Spruce Creek High School.